Hello, this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. In this video, I want to demonstrate you how to make a salve by using a calendula infused oil, and also add a small amount of coconut oil with the beeswax. This can help reduce the amount of the beeswax you use and increase the thickness of the salve. And in the beginning, I also want to tell you a trick about using the coconut oil to help keep our mouth hygiene and healthy. In this Monday, I had one of my molar tooth being extracted because it was a crack. After extract the big tooth, there will be a lot of bleeding, and also there are stitch. So the first couple of days are very difficult. It's big inflammation and very painful. Rather than using the medicine my doctor gave me, I use a technique called oil pull. This is learned from my friend Amy. By using a tablespoon of coconut oil and just put in the mouth without swallowing it, just keep them in the mouth and swish it, and this magic oil can reduce the bacteria first and then reduce inflammation. It does help a lot even after the 2 times use in the first day. It gave me a lot of relief, reduce the inflammation. I won't feel a big swollen just after a couple rinse. Within the coconut oil, the major compound is lauric acid. Lauric acid takes about 50% of the coconut oil. And lauric acid has a good antibacterial and anti-inflammation. Research found lauric acid can even kill the bacteria of the P. acne that cause the skin acne problems. And also it helps reduce inflammation. And also the lauric acid can lead to the monolaurin. Monolaurin is a good agent of antibacterial, reduce the virus and protozoan. And coconut oil is a very good fixed oil, can help keep our skin healthy, and nutrients, bring a lot of nutrients to our skin as well. So that's why I add the coconut oil into the salve I'm going to make. Salve is a solidified oil. It's using the beeswax to make the consistency more solid. So this can help keep the oil easy to use and have a longer lifetime. To make a salve, you need 3 ingredients or 2. But today I add a coconut oil, and this is a calendula infused oil. It has a calendula, that's the most, and then also add lavender and a rose petal, infuse sweet almond oil. It's about 100 milliliter left, and also you're gonna need a beeswax. And now we turn around. And this is the tool we need. We're gonna do the double boiler or water bath. Water bath is very important, so this can help manage the temperature. You don't want to go too high. Beeswax, the melting temperature is 65 Celsius, 150. That's the perfect temperature. Don't let it go over 70. The ratio is the infused oil or the main oil. It's 7 part. Beeswax and coconut oil each is 1 part. Coconut oil is a solid oil. You can use a coconut or you can use a shea butter. This can help reduce the amount of the beeswax we use or increase thickness of the salve. So I have about 100 milliliter the infused oil. So I need 1/7 of the beeswax and 1/7 of the solid oil, the coconut oil. This is a bottle I'm gonna use to save the salve. It's recommended to sanitize before use it, so that can help the salve stay longer. Using a new bottle, but still want to show you how to sanitize it. Just grab a paper towel and a rubbing alcohol, because I'm gonna use this for the topical use, so rubbing alcohol is okay. And just wrap all over inside. Just clean all the corner of the edges. So just make sure the alcohol touch everywhere, and then clean the lid as well. And also it better wear gloves so your hand won't be contaminated after you already sanitize it. Okay, now that's it. It's ready. Thank you for watching. Next time if you have a blister or ulcer in your mouth, use the coconut oil, swish it and spit out on a paper. Don't spit up into a sink because it will be solidified and may cause a clog. So just dump in the trash bag. Again, thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. And this is Dr. Liu. See you next week.